We're gonna see what all it can do. Got a tree here. See how much I can get cut up. If it can cut through a railroad tie, I'm gonna say it'll pretty much cut through any little tree limb or whatever else you're gonna throw at it. So let's see how it does. Okay, I got the half part of it cut right there. Now let's move right over. It really didn't take much longer than it did with the Sawzall, and this thing is all ready and set to be used. I mean, right out of the box. All right, we're going to be trying this thing out again today. It's the Fotrix 21 volt mini chainsaw. Let's see what we can do. Not bad, guys. You know, the only way we're going to find out if this thing can actually do some work, we're going to have to test it. Let's push it. I think that's enough of a demonstration, guys. Y'all can grab it through the orange box down below if you're on TikTok, or to be in the comments or description if you're on Facebook or YouTube.